Dugag ko!
Ohayo, baka!
Yo, Bree! Nandito ako sa airport. Yeah! Yeah! New chapter and new journey. Let's go, Bree! Let's go! Shit. Dito na ako sa airport. Bree, sa waiting area. Bree, let's go! Waiting area! Yeah! Punta tayo Maynila, Bree. Yeah. This is the next journey of my life, Bree. Abangan yung mga video ko, Bree. Okay? Let's go. Fred. Chile. Yan na magtalang kaya. Ay, sorry lang yun. Tanga mo. Tanginang mukha yan. Parang nag-graduate ng grade 1 eh. Shit! Waiting lang. Antok na ako. Waiting lang. Yeah. Dapat na. Time check. 1:38. Let's go. Kasi yung departure is 1:40. Malapit na ako matulog. Shit. Uy, please snap.
Online in front of boarding gate number 3 and present your boarding passes to our ground personnel. This will help us serve you quickly and efficiently. We appreciate your patience and understanding on this matter. For questions and concerns, please approach any of our ground personnel. Thank you.
Uy, please snap. Angas. Hey, delay and pre-food, Bree. Let's go. Yeah. Uy, bakit ngayon ka lang? Yeah, Manila. Puntayin ako dito, Bree. May mayang papasok ako. Yeah, boy.
As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelts and put your seatbelt upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any spark-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is stopped. As a safety precaution, please unfasten and put your seatbelt upright.
Let's go.
Use of
Dito pa rin sa airplane, temporary parking with free cup noodles. Wow, fun! Wow! Nandito na ako sa labas, Bree. Hinihintay ko yung sundo ko. Yes, may sundo ako, Bree. Hey! Yeah, sinundo ako, Bree. Just go. Ay. Hey, nandito na tayo, Bree. Sobrang pagod lang. Kasi daming sitwasyon. Pero abangan nyo ako, Bree. The real entertainment is here, Bree. Let's go.
Shit! Dugag ko!